My name is Rudy Blanco and I'm a teacher from the Dreamyard Preparatory High School in New York City. Today, we're going to be exploring the new LittleBits code kit. We're going to learn a little bit about what's in the box as well as what's included with the app. LittleBits are electronic building blocks that snap together using magnets, and what's really cool is they're real simple to use. This code kit is packed with everything you will need in order to engage your young people in game-based coding and engineering. Plus, it's NGSS and CS aligned, which makes it both fun and educational. This year at Dreamyard Prep, we're going to be using the code kit to help our young people build instruments in a tech and arts integration class. The first thing you'll notice when you open your code kit are your quick start guides. The green one is for students and can be very helpful when young people are getting started on any project. The purple one is for educators, and you might want to keep this one nearby. There's also a detailed bit index that includes everything you need to know about your bits. It has mini challenges, sample circuits, and it also includes real-world examples. You also have a double-sided poster, which includes bits basics on one side and the invention cycle on the other. Now, onto the bits. This is the code bit, and it is the brains of the whole operation. The LED matrix for creating cool animations and messages, new and improved speaker for adding awesome sound effects to your games, a huge mounting board to secure all bits in one place, 2 sizes of USB cables for connecting your inventions and code, and some other familiar favorites like the servo, bar graph, 2 buttons, and a whole bunch more. And this is a rechargeable battery. Game changer. To start coding, your quick start guide will guide you exactly to where you need to go in order to download the code app. Once the app is downloaded, you'll have access to your getting started inventions, your code tutorials, and your 4 kit inventions. There's also a link to the Educator Resources page for teachers, which contains getting started videos, customizable lessons, and tons of student tools. And on top of that, there are additional inventions and lessons on the LittleBits community site. Be sure to add your own. The LittleBits code kit will have you and your students coding, building circuits, and designing games in little to no time. So, geek out and game on.